Hi! For today's tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to start a YouTube channel using only stock footage. But first, if you're new in this channel, please don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. YouTube is a great platform to create content and start earning money. But in order to grow your channel, you have to upload a video at least once a week. So in this video, I will show you the easiest way to create a content with using only stock footage. But what is stock footage? Stock footage or stock video is essentially short clips or shots that have been filmed by videographers and put up for sale. In many cases, these are video clips that were filmed during production for a larger project. In this video, we will also discuss what are the pros and cons of free and paid stock footage. Now, to download stock footage for free, we can go to pexels.com. The best free stock photos, royalty-free images, and videos shared by creators. You can search for a certain image that you can put on your video. And here, you can see the available free stock photos that you can download. You can also download free videos here. Just click on videos, and you can see the videos that you can download for free. But what are the cons in free stock footage? You are limited to some videos you can download. You are also limited in quality. You can't download high definitions in this website. But if you want a high definition video, you have to pay for it. You can go to storeblocks.com. Get unlimited stock media such as video templates, audio, and images. But you have to pay for it. The next website where you can download free images or free stock videos is called thepixabay.com. Stunning royalty-free images and royalty-free stock. Over 4 million plus high-quality stock images, videos, and music shared by our talented community. And here, you can choose a category like nature, wallpaper, background, sky, flowers, money, cat, food, water, flower, car, dog, and even iPhone wallpaper. And here, you can see the editor's choice of images. You can use this free stock footage first, and if you are making money on your content, you can now invest in storyblocks.com. The pros are high quality video and tons of videos in the website, but you have to pay for it. Free media you can use anywhere. Pixabay is a vibrant community of creatives, sharing royalty-free images, videos, audio, and other media. All content is released by Pixabay under the content license, which make it safe to use without asking for permission or giving credit to the artist, even for a certain commercial purposes. Now let's try to create a content on YouTube using this free stock footage. Let's start with creating a topic. Like for example, in this video, let's talk about how to take care of plants. You can go to Google search and search for that topic. You can see this our top 10 plant care tips. You can click on that article and you can copy all of that 10 tips on how to take care of your plants. Then, we can go to quillbot.com to rephrase our script. All you have to do is to paste the script here and then click on rephrase. In quillbot.com, there is paraphraser, grammar checker, program checker, and summarizer. Now, after creating our script, we can go now and download stock footage. Go to pixabay.com and then search for plants. And you can see that there are 3,022 free videos of plants that you can download for free. But I think 3 videos is enough. Let's download 3 videos, and then let's combine the video and the script. Let's edit it like this. Insert the stock videos. Then type the script. You just have to copy and paste the script that you have created before. Let's also add some animation here. Just repeat that process. And then let's also add a voiceover in our video. Let's now see the finished product.
Top 10 Plant Care Tips 1. Select plants based on your available light 2. Choose plants that accommodate your timetable. 3. Be careful when watering. 4. Increase humidity levels as necessary. 5. Constantly maintain steady temperatures. 6. Learn when to refrain from using fertilizer. 7. Buy from a trusted retailer. 8. Be compassionate at first. 9. Do not be afraid to repot. 10. Be aware of drainage.
And there you have successfully created a video using only stock footage. You can now go to your YouTube account and start posting this video in your YouTube channel. You can now start your YouTube channel only using stock footage. You can use pexels.com for free stock footage. Also the pixabay.com. You can also use killbot.com to rephrase your script. And to add a voiceover in your video, you can use flicky.ai. Now, if you want high quality videos and you are ready to pay, you can go to storyblocks.com. And I also used CapCut application to edit my videos. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you out. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. If you have a question in this video, please don't hesitate to leave a note on the comment section. See you on the next video.